Yo, what is up? What is up? What is good? It's your girl Chènae. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have a video for you guys today using my box of Crayons eyeshadow palette from the Crayon case. Y'all, this palette is bomb. So to see how I achieve this look, y'all know what to do. Keep on watching. Starting off, I'm taking my matte paint pot in the color Painterly, and I'm just placing this all over my lid. And this is going to act as my eyeshadow base to help my colors last all day and appear bright and bold. Now going into this marvelous palette, I'm taking the color red and tan. I'm mixing those two colors together. I'm going to go ahead and just blend that into my crease. It's going to act as my transitional color to help all my other colors blend together. Now taking my NYX white eyeshadow base, I'm going to go ahead and, carve out a section of my eye, kind of like a cut crease. I find myself doing this with almost all of my eyeshadow looks. I don't know, this just helps my eyeshadow looks be more, I guess, neat and seamlessly. So I'm going to go ahead and just carve out that section and just go ahead and apply that white eyeshadow base, get it ready for my next color. Now going in with the color red, I'm going to go ahead and just concentrate that on the outer portion of my eye. And you guys see how pigmented these colors are? Oh my gosh, this palette is bomb. So I'm just going to go ahead and concentrate that on the outer portion of my eye. Now I'm going to add the color green. It's starting to look, a little bit like, I guess, Christmas colors, but I don't celebrate Christmas. So I'm just going to go ahead and just blend those two together, make sure that I'm overlapping. And then finally I'm adding the color yellow. And oh my gosh, y'all, look how gorgeous that is. This yellow is absolutely popping. It is gorgeous. It is all of that. This color does not oxidize and is so true to its complexion. You guys, a little can go a long way. Now taking the color baby blue, I'm going to go ahead and just blend that to my waterline. Now here I'm just going to go ahead and do the wing for my, the tail for my wing eyeliner. I'm using the Sigma Wicked Gel eyeliner. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw my tail for my eyeliner. Then I'm going to go ahead and just fill that in like I always do. Nothing new, even though I need to go ahead and try to figure out how I'm going to change it up some. But I'm just going to go ahead and just fill that tail in. Now I'm going back with some liquid eyeliner from NYX. I'm going to go ahead and just finish out drawing my eyeliner. Now taking the color Nylon from MAC, I'm going to place it under my brow bone, act as my brow highlights. One of my favorite go-tos by MAC. Now I'm going to apply my NYX white eyeliner to the top of that eyeshadow, give like a crescent moon sort of an effect. Now here I'm just applying my false eyelashes, because what is a look without falsies? We all need, our fake eyelashes, unless you got some long beautiful ones, which I don't. Mine are, short and not that beautiful, but I'm going to go ahead and grow them out. Now moving on to my lips, I'm just taking the color Cavier, which is a black lipstick from MAC, and I decided to just go ahead and keep my lips bold but simple. So I'm only using one product in my lips today. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline my lips and then fill it in to give it that bold dominatrix sort of look, because I'm just extra, like to be extra like that. So I'm just going ahead and just adding color to my lips, and this is the end result. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love this palette. Make sure you guys keep on the lookout for the review that I have coming, and until next time, I'll see all of you beautiful dolls and gents in my next video. Peace out, you guys. Y'all be easy.